connecting to 19, and the video took an hour to upload. It took a long time to upload, but the video was only 3 minutes, and it took an hour to upload. So I took my phone to the living room, and then they uploaded a bit more faster out there. But anyways, let's continue with the tour. So we were here in the previous video, and then my phone just stopped recording. So I added this lock here to lock the door, and then this part was replaced last year because my sister kicked it and I had to staple it, put tape over it. But this door is from August 2020, and I had to patch it over the years. I put these cardboard strips to hold it, and it seems to, it hasn't fell down yet, thankfully, but it's getting old. So right with that, so we have the excluding screen the door in the video. So here's a defined doorknob. It's going to open this so we can get a better look up the defined doorknob. So this is actually, I got this from the Home Depot. I already explained it, but so it costed me $10, and I think it's $20, and it's $10 for each appliance. So the doorknob plus the dead one will be $20. And this is like a button. You can lock it. Oh, this is broken. This part got stuck, so yeah, so alright, let's go inside. So this right here is the garage. This is the strap, because over the years when we bought these beds, the pallets would collapse in the middle of the night. So, and that's what happened to our bunk bed. So, it was so annoying that we just had to replace our beds. So in the garage, besides the door, which we already explained, we have a mattress, and then we have, I'm gonna go through this side actually. So first we have my Las Vegas tour bus. My brother got that, and I don't know when, but he got it for me at a store in Caesar's Palace. And I have my Hot Wheel trucks right there.